Hello everybody, my name is the Gaming Zombie, and today we're going to be unboxing the ADDTOP 2500 milliamp solar powered battery charger. Now you can charge your phones with this, you can charge basically any device with a USB. Alright, so let's get down to this, boys. We are going to be cutting this thing up, so let's go do that. Alright, so we got this open. Solar charger, power bank, portable charger. As you can see, it says it's solar charged, high capacity, fast charging, universal serial USB, and it has a LED flashlight. So you can use this when you're out in the dark and when you're just trying to find your way around. You know, just gonna undo that right here. Alright, so we have a solar charger user manual. This is the company, I don't know how to spell it, Hilliky cares about you. You can leave reviews. I'm not gonna do that in this video, but today this is just more of an unboxing.
Nigga. What?
This is the USB charging cable for the battery pack. We got, it looks really similar, just like my phone, which I can just go like that, open. I think this is a button. There you go. Yes, this is a button. 4 solar panels. This thing will gather up light and it will charge. It will use that light to then charge your phone. So let's check out the ports real quick. Here, how do we fold this thing up? Oh boy. Alright, so at least it's easy folding. This is like IPA splash proof, so as long as you have this cover on here, that should protect everything. It's got 2 USB charging ports, so I can charge my phone as well as somebody else's phone, or just 2 of my devices in general, and then I can just bam. Okay, so this is the LED light. That works pretty good. This is like probably better than my scooter's flashlight. Oh my god, that's pretty nice. That lights up all the way back there too, which is crazy. See, no light. Alright, so let's go ahead. Let's turn this thing on.
I'm trying to see 100 racks by the end of the year. That's all I'm saying.
Oh, and by the way, I've been smoking, sipping, drinking, I've been high for days. And I don't really give a fuck about what you trying to say. Yes, they're getting wavy, but they cannot ride the wave. So I'ma do it all tonight in case I die today. Oh, and by the way, I've been smoking, sipping, drinking.
Weed got me high now. Roll a few blunts to be round. Welcome to the city, this is my town. Where them bitches getting silly when we pop out. And them niggas getting rowdy by the pipe down. Shit's getting heavy about right now. Said shit's getting heavy about right now. Yeah, shit's getting heavy about right now. Cost a lot to fucking talk. Bullshit, my nigga, you ain't about it. See you niggas clapping like a talent. That's not Burberry, that's fucking black. Keeping the booth in the glidey bag. She look at my phone and she getting mad. For what?